Let's prepare to meditate. Adjust your body so that you are sitting comfortably. Close your eyes. Rest your hands on your lap in any way that is comfortable for you. Take a nice filling breath in. Breathe deeply in through your nose and breathe out slowly through your mouth. Do this again. Now when you exhale, breathe out with a long sigh. Do this breathing again a few more times to settle your mind and body. You are ready to begin. Today we will be focusing on each of our 5 senses to calm our mind and body. We will begin with our sense of touch. Notice each part of your body that is touching the floor or chair. Take a moment to notice each part of your body, one at a time, that is touching the floor or chair. Notice somewhere that your clothes are touching your skin. Try to notice the feeling of your heartbeat somewhere in your body. Using our sense of taste is difficult if you aren't eating or drinking, but let's try. Breathe in through your mouth and then close your mouth as if to catch the taste of the air. Try this a couple times. Is the air slightly sweet or fresh as you inhale? Focus on where the air comes in your mouth onto your tongue. If you can't taste anything, that's okay. Just focus on the breathing. Let's try our sense of smell. This is also a tough one. Breathe in through your nose, trying to smell the slightest scent in the air. Can you smell anything? Without opening your eyes, let's focus on our sense of sight. Try to notice what color you see behind your closed eyelids. Perhaps you see black, red, gray, or white. What color do you see? Can you change the color that you see by focusing your eyes differently? Let's try hearing now. Listen carefully to your environment. What can you hear other than the meditation? What details can you hear in the room around you? What different sounds can you pick out in the music of the meditation? What details do you notice in the music? As our meditation comes to a close, draw your attention back to your real body. Notice and feel where your body is touching the floor or chair. Wiggle your fingers, wiggle your toes. Take a deep breath. Now go ahead and stretch out your body in any way that feels good to you. When you are ready, open your eyes. Now go out and find the magic in your day.